Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. It's so foamy. Really good. I feel like I want to stir it a little bit though. George is opening his day, whatever, day 5. He's upset. Gummy bears.
Yeah, if you want an advent calendar that's Star Wars themed, don't buy this one. This one just has candy in it. Unless you might want one of these.
What are you gonna do with him?
I want to eat it, actually.
It's gummy. You need to go put it by your desk.
Ooh, smell it.
Oh.
I like it.
Wait, it kind of smells like...
Chemicals.
It smells like fake grape.
No.
Yeah. No. Can you stop sniffing it? It's kind of weird. Put it by your desk. Take him with you.
No.
Well, where are you going to put him? All right, everybody. I just did my makeup for work. George made me some soup. I don't know where this just stopped recording, but anyways, I did my makeup. I have to do my hair really quick. I have to leave in like 20 minutes. George made me some soup. Oh, you can't see it. Anyways, same soup as last night. And I'm gonna eat this really quick. And then I'm gonna do my hair. I was gonna maybe do a hair tutorial today since I did my makeup yesterday for you. But I don't know if I have time. So I'm gonna just probably come back when I'm all ready because I am running very behind right now. All right, see you soon. Hello everyone. I made it home from work. And I'm gonna make dinner right now before I literally do anything else because I wanna hurry up and get it done. I don't think George left this game room all day. Let's go see. Hello.
Hi.
Have you left this room?
No. I unloaded the dishwasher. That was
You were supposed to load it up too, but thank you.
You're welcome.
You can go do the other half now. I'm gonna make dinner and then I'll... Yes, I'm gonna make dinner and then I will come back and show you guys what we made. Got chicken in there. This piece is done. We got rice cooking in here. I'm gonna put that back on. Might have messed that up. And in the oven, we got some broccoli going. I'm so hungry. I need this to be done. I've got like 5 more minutes probably though. We'll show you when it's all finished. All right, George. Oh, your broccoli's gone. We got broccoli, chicken, and rice. And there's more left over there. I made a little tea. Yeah, so let's see how it is. The rice. Pretty good. The broccoli. Oh, so good. Chicken. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, so good. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. All right, everybody. I had just taken a shower, washed my hair. I honestly feel like I should dry it. I hate sleeping with wet hair, but I'm too lazy. So it's like 10:30.
Not even. It's like 10 o'clock.
It's 10:32 actually.
It's actually 10:32 right now.
Yeah. About to go to bed because I'm so tired. But I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6. That's insane. All right. Bye. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Wait, Day 6? No, it's Day 5.